Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jacqueline Oyugi. For those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. For those who have subscribed, thank you and welcome. Today I'm in the farm. I have come to harvest my maize so that I can be able to plant other things once the rainy season is here. This is how ideally the soil looks like. Very dry. We are hoping that it rains pretty much soon. The trees are here and they're beautiful. This vegetable is called saga, and because of the dry season the leaves have turned yellow. However, there are others that are surviving, like cowpeas. At least they're still green. We managed to put some manure as a result of remains from the animals, which do pretty much okay. So we are hoping that the rain falls soon. We'll plant other things on the farm. Now I'm going to do the harvesting. I'm going to proceed to do the harvesting with the help of some people over here. My mom also brought me to the farm. I have also uprooted this so that it can be transplanted alongside these bananas. Hi. Now let me show you how dried this has been. So this is it. This is what we are supposed to take off the farm. This is how dry it is, so that we can be able. Mom is helping me. All the way. Support system. She is checking whether it's ready before she plucks out the maize. Wow.